making road maintenance super convenient and cost-effective. Pro RMV 2000 is India's first portable infrared road recycler with simple design and truck or trolley mountable compact size of 10 feet by 5 feet. Pro RMV works on simple principle of hot in-place recycling method. Here is a quick guide to hot in-place process. After detecting a defect in road, existing pavement is heated to higher temperature using special type of burners. Once it melts, after manual or mechanical scraping, adding few amounts of virgin asphalt and then road is compacted by roller. Pro RMV 2000 has 3 parts: HB2 system, hot box and maintenance accessories. HB2 system is a special type of infrared burner designed for road heating, having panel size 5 feet by 5 feet and fitted to back end of trolley. Hydraulically adjustable panel aligns with road surface with precision and melts asphalt in merely 10 minutes. Its sliding feature covers up to 13 feet of road length at a stretch, and control panel allows every burner to be operated separately along with critical features of one-touch automatic ignition and emergency stop button. Pro RMV's infrared square panel cuts road section into square shape, strictly complying with IRC guidelines. After heating existing pavement, fresh asphalt material from hot box is poured to fill pothole or cracks. Hot box is a very easy to open and close insulated box and maintains temperature of 2 tons of hot material for 3 to 4 hours, minimizing heat losses. It has special noise-free burner system at bottom, enabling preheating of chamber, and further hot air circulation maximizes heating efficiency. It maintains desired temperature of hot material for 24 hours and also heats cold asphalt debris in 12 hours. Pro RMV outstandingly allows cold debris to be 100% recycled, achieving zero process wastage and highest cost efficiency of repairs. Screw conveyor facilitates easy and uniform delivery of materials from hot box. By switching to cold mix, waterproof Pro RMV functions very well in rainy season too. Hot box's control panel is easy to operate and can be manually set for preferred temperature. Its timer function, temperature display and provision for bright lamp for nighttime working allows operational convenience. Pro RMV carries maintenance accessories like shovels and scrapers quite handily. To facilitate spraying of prime coat, track coat and recycling rejuvenator, 80 liters oil tank is provided with nozzle having respective coat selection feature. Along with 14-inch plate, earth plate compactor, DeWalt make 2100 watt hammer serves as pavement breaker and breaks down concrete connection to asphalt or surfaces unsuitable for heating. Pro RMV is powered with silent 6 kilowatt Genoset and 2 cylinders of 45 kilogram each to fuel burners and hot box for 24 hours. However, battery pack assists burner ignitions and operations. Storage compartment is provided for additional belongings. Pro RMV, its safest as trolley designed to carry 4 tons is ARAI approved and unique type of LPG vaporizer is used to regulate and maintain desired gas pressure. HB2 system and hot box comes with finest safety features like flame brake system, burner operating indicator, stop valve, auto ignition, pressure gauge, emergency shutdown switch, insulation for hot box, waterproof structure, fire extinguisher and safety alarm system along with roadblock signs. In a nutshell, key benefits of Pro RMV 2000 are: day or night, rain or sunshine, with Pro RMV 2000, road repairs is now quick and super fine.